Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this eye makeup. As the wedding season has begun, I'm going to create a series of bridal eye makeup look. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell for upcoming videos. Now let's get started with the first video of this series. Before starting with the actual eye makeup, let's get the eyebrows done. I'm using Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown to shape my eyebrows and fill in the sparse areas with the help of an angle brush. And then using a spoolie, I'm going to blend the pomade evenly. Next, I'm using Wet n Wild concealer to clean up underneath my eyebrows and also as an eye base. And for setting the concealer in place, I'm going to use a loose powder. I'm using the Maybelline Fit loose powder in the shade Light. Here I am also using a sticky tape to have the sharp edges on the outer corner. For eyeshadow palette, I am using Ucanbe Spotlight palette and I am taking this orange eyeshadow as my transition shade, and with a fluffy blending brush, I am blending this color into my crease and slightly above it. This palette is very pigmented and blends so well. So if you want to invest in a colorful palette, you can surely go for this one. I'm also applying the same shade on the outer corner as well. Next, I'm taking a red eyeshadow and repeating the same process we did with the previous eyeshadow. But I'm using a pencil brush here as I want the precise application, and the brush I have used is from Arte PE29 brush. Then I'm doing a half cut crease here using the same concealer, and the brush that I have used is from Arte PF01 brush, and I'm also going to buff out the edges with my fingers to make the blending easier. Next, I'm using Forever 52 Magnificent palette and I'm taking this orange foil shimmer and start placing it on the concealer using a flat shader brush. For nice transition, I'm taking the red eyeshadow again and I'm applying it between the shimmer eyeshadow and the outer corner. Now it's time to add some glitter. I'm using Cuffs and Lashes glitter palette and I'm taking this pressed glitter called Celeste. And these are the pressed glitters, so you don't require any glue to stick on. You can easily use your fingers to press the glitter on your lids. For lower lash line, I'm going to first smoke out the red eyeshadow and then the orange eyeshadow for the transition on the lower lash line as well. Then using Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals, I'm going to highlight my brow bone and the inner corners. For eyeliner, I will be using Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner, and with this I'm going to create a nice bridal winged eyeliner. Next, for Kajal, I'm using Bella Voste Gel Eye Pencil on my lower waterline. And for falsies, I have used lashes from an Instagram page called Celio's Lashes. I will be linking the page in the description box. Then I'm using mascara from Blue Heaven to merge my original lashes with the fake ones, and also applying the mascara onto my lower lashes. And here is the completed look, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comment section below. For your convenience, I have listed everything that I have used in the description box, so make sure you check that out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.